Dear UNICON participants, colleagues, friends, firstly, thank you so much for joining this year's forum and conference. At the CKGSB, we're really pleased, honored to host this conference. We're at this very important time for humanity. Given so many disruptions, it's about time we may have to redefine the management education for humanity. And CKGSB has been experimenting for the past 2 decades with innovation. We hope we can play a positive role for society and for humanity. I've been emphasizing what I call the groundbreaking innovations in the past 2 decades. First, we tried what I call the top of the pyramid segment of the business education, essentially the chairman, the CEO, the most respected companies, and iconic entrepreneurs. Another innovation we have had is the emphasis on social purpose. As of today, social innovation has become the first module for every degree program in CKGSB. For the future, to learn from the globe and leverage resources globally is going to be essential for any companies to remain globally competitive. So in this regard, I hope this conference will play a crucial role in our process to facilitate this global learning, a global ecosystem of learning, so we can learn from each other, not only the cutting edge, managerial theories, practice, but also the ways we innovate to serve societies and serve humanities better. So thank you. I hope you can enjoy this year's conference.